This 5-minute solution will show you how to block international calls on iPhone. So if you want to block a specific international incoming calls, then open phone app and this is the number I want to block. So here I'm tapping on this info next to the number and here tap on block this caller. Tap on block contact. Once you blocked the particular number, you won't get any incoming calls from the international number. But if you want to block all international calls, then go to your iPhone settings and here scroll down and tap on phone. And here you will get silence unknown callers. Tap on it and all you have to do is just enable silence unknown callers. And then calls from unknown numbers will be silent. And incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts list, recent outgoing calls and Siri suggestions. That's how we can block international calls on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.